Tina ourselves were not satisfied with the investigators.
Obani abangekho satisfied with the investigators.
Tina.
So, as Mr. Chauke, you were not satisfied.
We were not satisfied. So we requested them they must be changed and get another team. And that's what happened.
You know why I'm asking, Mr. Chauke? I'm asking because the older team came at home and explained themselves. We understand which we are this team.
Yeah. Who were those who came?
First, it was Gininda and them, and then the Gininda with Teleze, I think we understand. So now we are now confused with who are the actual people who are the actual people. Yes, who are the actual people in the case, we understand. But I'm glad what you are saying, what you are not happy with are you not happy with umsebenzi wobuthelezi no Gininda?
The people to say this is the person who committed the offense.
Okay.
And in that case, the people in the house will discover that all they are liars.
Okay.
So we needed to do those investigations. The police still have to go back to the people and say, look, I'm a story now, and most of things.
Okay. So
which Buthelezi and Gininda did not do. You understand?
Okay.
Now you need to have experienced policemen who go there and assess these people to say, no, look here, this thing. Remember they lied initially about Bakomba Umunyumfana Wamakawashi Lapana.
Okay. Yes.
Which is which was the nonsense story and all sort of things.
So
they need to go back to them to say, look, we don't buy the story that there is somebody who came from around coming to commit robbery and whatever.
So according to you, Mr. Chauke, you are mhlambe ngingasho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi you are saying ukuthi there is no one who came in.
Our theory now, from where we're sitting,
yes,
we suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay.
Not that because umuntu from somewhere as a commit a robbery and hello.